Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Zilliqa, and again I'm present with the latest update of Zilliqa. So keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe in our ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. So friends, now you can see here the Zilliqa has taken a good jump in the last minute. So I'm very happy to see, because the price is very fastly moving upward, and that is just the beginning. The huge pump of the Zilliqa are coming soon. So let's see my friends the latest update. But before seeing the more details about Zilliqa, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Now friends, if we look the currently latest price of the Zilliqa, so you can see here 0.1007 USD dollar is the current latest price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if we talk about the market open price of the Zilliqa, so 0.1039 USD dollar is the currently market open time of the Zilliqa, and it seems like that the low price you can see here 0.09807 USD dollar is the low price, and high price is 0.1137 USD dollar is the highest price of the Zilliqa in the last 24 hour friends. Now let's see the price chart and let's discuss what's the next move of the Zilliqa friends. You can see here my friends, don't worry about the fun of Zilliqa. I know the last 24 hours pricing is negative, the price of the Zilliqa is fast down, but my friends, that's not mean then you decide to sell. If the price of the every cryptocurrency is fast down, so you decide to sell. No my friends, that's not a solution, and that's not a good way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. My friends, if you hold your coin with a long time, so that's how you can get a good amount of profit. If you decide to sell, if you when you see the small fast you decide to sell, no, that's not a solution, and you can't make any type of money with this kind friends behavior. You can see here if you look the price chart of the Zilliqa, that's the last 1 hour. For just let's suppose you can see here fast down, and after a fast take a jump. That is the common procedure. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time, after a little fast they take a huge jump, same like this, and at some time they the huge dumps occur, and after a huge jump they again take a jump friends. So don't worry about this. You have to do a research, you have to do a technical analysis. That is how you can get a good amount of profit from the Zilliqa. My prediction about Zilliqa is 100% positive, and I believe that the huge pump of the Zilliqa are coming soon. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell friends. Anyways my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, and also share your opinion and prediction in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this interesting video.